Hey guys, so today I'm back with a haul video, blast from the past. I feel like I've spoken so much over the past 18 months about being more sustainable, making more sustainable choices, and I'm here doing a Zara haul, which, and I debated this so much because like whilst I have made like big changes in my life in terms of where I shop, how much I shop, like I still do sometimes buy things from Zara, and I've been kind of quiet about it. I haven't actually done enough, I haven't bought enough from Zara to quantify for a haul in the past probably 18 months, but I have bought a few things over the past year and I just don't really talk about it. I don't know, it makes me feel funny because obviously I've spoken about being more sustainable, but then at the same time I do sometimes still buy new things on the high street, and I feel like, should I talk about that? And I actually spoke to my friend about it today and I was like, do I do it? Like I feel like it's kind of contradicting myself, but then again, like I feel like I didn't like kind of make a vow never to shop again. It's more about changing your habits, and I feel like it's important to note that whilst I do still occasionally buy things from Zara or from H&M or wherever, I haven't completely boycotted those brands. I shop about 10% of the amount that I used to, and I also buy things that are like really classic. If I don't love something, I don't keep it. So I feel like it's just more so about changing my way of thinking about shopping rather than completely stopping shopping. So I thought I would do a whole video and show you what I picked up from Zara today. I literally went in there because I needed a new white shirt, because every single white shirt I own has a mark on it, mostly soy sauce. I feel like I'm very messy when I'm eating sushi and I get soy sauce stains on my white shirts all the time, and I really wanted a new white shirt for the season. I layer up white shirts a lot over leggings, I just generally wear them a lot. So yeah, that's why I went in, and I came out with quite a few things, so I wanted to do a whole video and show you. And I also have a couple of like pre-loved things that I wanted to show you that I've picked up over the past month as well. And I'm going to start off with the pre-loved stuff. So first of all is this Rixo dress, and I wanted this Rixo dress when it was out and I didn't manage to get hold of it. I actually have this same cut of dress, I think it's called the Camellia dress or something like that, in the under the sea print, which I bought on my 30th birthday 2 years ago, and I wore it for a wedding that weekend, and just I love that dress so much. I still have it in my wardrobe, and I found this one on Vestiaire. This is actually a size up, so this is a medium, and I was hoping that it might have a bit more space on the old v-neck so that I could like close it up, because it is super low cut. Like if you have no boobs, it wouldn't be an issue. I have fairly small boobs, like I don't have big boobs or anything, but it's like outrageously low cut if you have any kind of boobs. You have to wear like a special push-up wonder bra, like super low, like if you don't want your boobs to be basically out. So basically I was hoping if I bought a medium I'd have a bit more fabric to kind of play with on that front, and I think I probably will, so I'm going to take it to a tailor and like try and get it slightly remade. But I also and so one thing I bought from Zara, I really want to wear it with like a polo neck underneath, especially for the winter as well. It makes it a lot more wearable, and I found the perfect thing from Zara to go under it. So I was really happy with that. I got it for around £100, and I just love the print. You guys know why. It's like the constellation print. I also feel like this style of dress from Rixo, it has the two slits up the front. I feel like you can dress it up, dress it down. I just adore this print, and I think when they made this dress, they do still make this style of dress, but I feel like it's better quality than the other ones. I don't know whether it was just because it was an early design. I also just love the detail. There's pleats at the waist, there's pleats on the back. Like just really nice. It's got a high back, really nice design detail. But yeah, so I got that, was very happy with that Vestiaire find. And then another thing that I found, this was actually from about 6 weeks ago, I found this vintage Givenchy necklace in an antique shop. And it was about, I think I managed to barter them down to £40. I was really happy with this. And it's not like overly branded either. Like you wouldn't tell it's Givenchy, it just has a tiny little logo on the back. And I just think really nice, super like 80s chunky chain. It's got these black stones in it, like that a lot. So that's the other thing that I picked up that's pre-loved. And then moving on to Zara, I went in for a white shirt and I found a white shirt, and I have to say it's got bits of black stuff stuck on it from one of the other things I tried on over the top of it, which is kind of annoying because I wanted to wear them together, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do on that front. What's going on there, Piggy? But I found this shirt and it is perfect. You know when you're looking for something and you just absolutely like find the perfect thing. It's kind of like a crinkle material, easy to wear. You're not going to be freaking out about the fact that it's creased all the time. I feel like this will be in my wardrobe. It will just be a really good staple in my wardrobe that will get a lot of wear. It also has the low cut at the back, so it covers your bum. I'll insert cutaways of me wearing everything so you guys can see, and I've actually already tried them on because I didn't try these on in the shop, obviously, because COVID. I did go into the shop, didn't order them online, but I didn't try them on, just kind of like grabbed and went, in the view of like, I'll take anything back that doesn't fit right, because I didn't really want to go into the changing rooms. And actually, considering I did that, a lot of these things are just absolutely perfect. It's a little bit sheer, but that's okay. But the cut of it is just perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. So I was really happy with that. I wear white shirts a lot, especially in the winter as well. So like over leather leggings, just like kind of like my go-to. So I was really happy with that. Next up, I picked up this jumper, and actually, I'm like 50-50 on this. I think it's probably going to go back because it's got these outrageously thick shoulder pads in it that I didn't realise were in there. It's quite a slim cut crop jumper, and for that reason I picked up a large. I normally wear a small in Zara, but I realised it looks quite small, so I was like, I'm going to get a large because I want it kind of oversized. But then because of that, the shoulder pads are like way off the shoulder. Like, I kind of like it, but it's not perfect. So I think this is going to go back. I like the rope detail. What I might do is try on a small and see if that's any better, but then I feel like it would just be really tight with the shoulder pads and it would look kind of weird. But yeah, that's not quite 100% right. And the next thing I got, I'm so happy with this as well, because it is something that I wanted to buy the designer version of last winter, and I just wasn't sure. And it's a lot of money. It's basically a copy of the Nanushka faux leather shacket kind of shirt thing. I call it a shacket because I feel like some people would wear this as a dress, but I probably wouldn't because it's got quite a high slit at the side, but you probably could wear it with like opaque tights. I would probably style this with tights and like an oversized shirt, or jeans and an oversized shirt. I feel like it's just really nice. It's belted. You could wear it as a jacket rather than do it up, or you can kind of do it up and belt it. Loads of different ways to wear this, and actually the quality is really, really nice. They also make it in brown, and I was tempted by the brown. It's £50. I got a medium because they didn't have any smalls, but I think looking at the fit, I probably would have got a small if they'd have had it, but I feel like it's one of those things that you can kind of wear oversized or not. So that's that. I did also get a dress, which I am absolutely over the moon with. This is from, I feel like, and the shirt is actually from this range as well, where they're from, like, they're made of eco materials, so like recycled materials, and this is 75%, it says Eco Vero viscose, which I think is recycled viscose. And considering, like, obviously I'm kind of like a bit hit and miss with the Zara kind of like eco stuff, because they're one of the least eco brands in terms of fast fashion, but considering this is made from more of an eco material, it's nicer than all of their other materials. And that same goes for the shirt. It's a different material. It's super heavy, really nicely weighted. It's just a plain black tiered shirt dress. It's longer at the back. I just feel like I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. An absolute like wardrobe staple for this time of year. You can layer it up. I'm just over the moon with this. I feel like I'll wear it with leather leggings and just boots, and it's just an easy throw on. It's also got pockets. Very happy with that, and I think it was £30. So yeah, some really good like black staples. The other thing that is a major staple I was really happy with, this is what I bought to go underneath that Rixo dress, and probably my other Rixo dress as well, and anything low cut that I have. But this is like a ribbed, cropped turtleneck with no sleeves. This is exactly what I was looking for, to the point where I was going to buy one and cut the sleeves off because and crop it, because if you wear something like this underneath a dress that's quite fitted, you don't want to add extra bulk on your arms or on your waist, which is what this doesn't do. So it literally covers up where your boobs are, and then apart from that, it's just a perfect like layering piece. I actually got the medium large size again because I didn't want it to be like overstretched. It looks tiny anyway, so I was like, I'll just get the larger one, it'll be more comfy. And yeah, very happy with that. Brilliant staple. And then the last thing, this is one thing I want your guys' opinion on, should I keep this or not, is one of the lumberjack jackets in this colorway. Now, I've been eyeing one of these up. I definitely knew I wanted to buy one this autumn winter. Eyeing them up for ages, and I wanted to get a black and white one. And I was looking at like the more expensive ones. I know that like obviously the red ones are like really popular as well. And then I spotted this in Zara. I actually love this colorway. It's very me with the like, it's cool toned, like lilac and a little bit of olive green, but at the same time, like, it's not girly, do you know what I mean? It's got the purple, but it's not super girly. I feel like I would wear this a lot. The only thing that I'm slightly unsure about is the cut of the arms, because they're very, like, wide and short, and you'll see this when I try it on. The other thing is it gonna fluff over everything? So I feel like I need to, like, try it on with something that it might fluff on and see if it fluffs on everything, and in which case I probably won't keep it. But I do really like it, and it's super cozy. I feel like it would be a good, like, I feel like these kind of times, we're not, like, you know, it's a good casual. If you're really cold, you can wear it in the house. It's like a perfect, like this time of year as well, when it's cold but it's not freezing. I feel like it's just really cozy, and I kind of want to keep it, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like, it is one of those things that I really ummed and ahed whether or not to make this, but actually I was like, I don't want to lie to you guys and say I don't ever shop on the high street anymore, because really the message that I wanted to get across is like, hey, like, I still do buy new things, but I'm just way more considered about what I buy, and a lot of the things are a lot more like wardrobe staples as opposed to super trend driven, like, you know, party pieces. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.